this video is slime. So, slime. As you guys see, I got my hair done, redone. And so I'm gonna do another edges tutorial, but with box braids. So, bye. I'm gonna do my edges video again. So, guys, if you see little chunks in it, that doesn't matter because stuff in it. So I'm gonna get half of it and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be back with a haul. So this is my outfit. This is what I'm going to the fair. Tell me hopefully I can show you white pants. You ready?
Well, get off the couch first and go up there because I can't work with y'all out here making all this noise. Don't flop up there. Go up front. Y'all gotta figure it out.
Barry.
You don't got nowhere to plug
What are
it
you
at.
doing?
Right here.
Who is that up there making noise?
That's Barry, because somebody keep climbing on the couches.
You.
Screaming.
Go sit down.
Come here, Z.
Come over here.
Z, come here.
Your granddaddy is still working.
He's working over at 6.
Where are you at? No, you won't be able to join me. Come here. Come here. Let me help you. You want to get some handcuffs?
Put my scissors back.
We're going to go to your house. Come on, let's have one.
You better not have no damn water in the can with that thing acting like a
Is it my house?
What color you want? What y'all playing?
Roblox.
If you want a TV, then you gotta send your money for a TV.
What?
With the water, so I have hot water.
This is the color you want right here?
And now I'm gonna act
But not all the same. Yeah, all the same. This way. Don't fall. I want a TV. No.
Sorry for being racist, that's my sisters playing Roblox, and I was just gonna play Fortnite. And then my phone died. So I was the controller and that's when I have to switch it. So I gotta wait. It didn't go completely late on the TV. I was trying to signal that I was going there, so I just put on charge. So it's slime is gonna be cool. What's it?
Look at TV. How much more is that?
Hey, Maya. Come here, Zizi. Come over here.
I need a job.
So, guys, that's my baby sister. Say hey.
Hey!
Mousy called you. Mousy called you. Go say, Mousy, take this off.
Want me to take it off? You know, no. Take it out? No. Come here.
Yeah, it's more sugar. I don't know how much this is really hard.
And these are the cups for baby. You want to be an adult? Yeah. There. Put them in my
I'm gonna add a bit more baby piece to it. Just a little bit, not as much. I don't want to see the potatoes. I want to cook like this one. So just add a little bit more baby.
Wait, mommy, wait. What is that? Like, wherever they are, you can go to.
This is the water.
Wait.
So guys, if you're on TikTok, go follow me at baby girl underscore Naya. I will put it in the comments
No,
down
get
below.
off of that. Get off. Go.
My TikTok name. So it's trying to activate. I might have to get a bowl activated. But I made this other slime. It smells so freaking good.
I'm not using my money to get you a motorcycle. Wait, hold on. You want to ride on my bike? Yeah. No, I'm good.
I'm gonna keep doing this and see what happens. You guys, once again, sorry for the background noise.
Mom. Stop. No, don't eat it right now.
It's kind of
So,
sticky.
like, when you're hungry, you gotta go Ryan. Please, go with me. See Ryan? Come on. Hey! Go. Sit. You're gonna bust your head. Go here. Go upstairs. No, go in the circle. See, be careful and get down.
Here.
That's not fun. Do you want to stay right there? You're very. I want to be like you, a baby like you. Yeah, I'm a berry. So, good baby. Get out. Get out. Where are you? That's not funny. That's not funny. Where are you? Come on, Mary. Come. Yeah? I'm going to lock you in a vacuum. Tomorrow,
Yeah, I was just watching my sister play Roblox. Add more hot water. This is still freaking hot.
Now where are we going to the playground? Jump off. Huh? Press the jump button. Come over here. Wait. Oh, I never knew. Let's go on this way. Okay, so you use this to go. See, drama. Sally, she need to stop running on the couches and trying to stand on them so she can fall back. Woo. Auntie, I hate this so hard.
Let me sit down, Ma. You want your tablet?
I want to go home. No. You go get your tablet. Uh-huh. No, don't use it. Leave it. Alright, so now. Why you make me jump off? Because you're done with the playground, okay? I can't find you. Over here. Where? Hold on. Wait. going to pool.
The pool?
Yeah.
Pieces starting to get better. Still a little stiff, but not that stiff. As you guys can see, it's very strict.
So where is the pool?
As after this video, I'm gonna make edges video. How to do edges.
Is you wet?
Put it around here. What you have to do is you have to put it around the water. Just let it sit.
Oh, that's where the pool is? Jazz has a boyfriend.
Look how clear this is. I'm not even touching the water. This is actually this. I'm just wanting to go over, you know.
We'll go to the
Shop.
I'm going grocery shopping, so I don't gotta go. You wanna go to the coffee shop or go to the grocery shop?
Grocery shopping.
She even got money.
Okay, so the drinks are over here. They're
Just like I did last time.
okay, get your
I just gotta connect all this water
I
first.
think I should
This one.
wait until I get
cash
money.
out. So
I want to get money like you.
you gotta play more.
Nancy, I have to buy these to get more money?
And so you bought a motorcycle? How much was it? Let me see the motorcycle.
Pay out to work.
You bought everything?
Why are you going grocery shopping?
So this is
You wanna go to the coffee shop?
I didn't go grocery shopping.
You press there.
Press the stuff you need.
So it says how much it is. You go to the thing, it says it's $2 and the soda's $2.
I want to go to the coffee shop.
Alright.
Wait, first I need to buy stuff.
The coffee shop,
So you don't, if you buy stuff, you don't,
$2 there.
but if you go to the coffee shop, you just spending money.
No, I'm buying stuff for my house. I'm grocery shopping.
Calm down.
You can buy the cheapest soda.
So guys, we're just trying to explain what's others levels of stuff.
Press on it. Press on it. Press on it.
And I'm buying a hamburger. How much is the hamburger? I need some sleep.
Come get it. I'm almost done. Now coming up, babe. I'm gonna make this.
How do I drink it?
Still hot. Usually one on each corner, well, each side. Then what you wanna do is you wanna take it, and you wanna spread it where the water is. Take it, spread it where the water is.
Now we gotta go to Why you scratching?
To take a bath.
Yeah, and no, don't be scratching.
Can I go to sleep at your house?
I don't have nothing in my. Don't scratch.
You gotta come to my house.
If I want to put some else on. Then I'm put my stuff.
Cause I deleted it.
That's how she got all that money.
I just need a bike.
You only can ride. So you gotta buy your bike.
I got a 2-person bike and a 1-person bike. So could you borrow the people's stuff?
Can you ride?
Mm-hmm.
Hold up.
I think that messed up one apart.
Come over here.
Alright, now you know what to do. What's one to it?
Wait, where are you?
Because
Wait. I'm going with.
I'm buying this like this thing.
right
Go to
here.
this house over here, babe. That's you.
Whoa.
Yeah, I said.
I'm gonna do another layer.
Then go to that house. Where are you?
Stop itching now.
Where are you, babe?
I can't find you. Stop the.
Stop yelling, Barry.
Barry, come
Yeah.
here. Bring your ass here.
How do Stop my nose.
Yeah.
No. Shush.
You got one more time to yell. Told you your granddad is working. I'm gonna whoop your ass if I tell you again. And I mean it. You go sit your ass on that couch and shut up.
Stop. Barry, come on. She don't really mean that.
Oh, so we have to meet.
Yeah. Barry, come on your phone. You're not playing with me anymore.
I'm coming. So can we play like a game?
Barry, come get your phone. Dang, she don't really mean that.
I told her to stop yelling.
She don't really mean
Oh yes, hell I do mean it. Now you yelling, yeah, now including you too.
I wasn't going to yell.
Stop hitting her, Barry.
Go, your granddad is still at work.
Busy.
Crazy. So I'm gonna go eat this.
Be quiet.
Leave me alone.
I didn't even hit you. I don't even know what you're trying.
Much water and see how to cook it.
Oh, you can get food for that. Let's see. Did you get your donut? Okay. You can grab what? You can grab a lot of donuts here. So like when you need. Where's your candy at?
How much is a donut?
$0.
Now you see where the candy is?
Yeah.
Oh, I better have baby
It's up front. It's up front. Okay.
Where are you?
I'm over here.
This is before our house.
It's not my house.
The candy.
The candy. This is the kitchen.
It's right there. I didn't order too much, so I'm gonna retry that process.
This is a bathroom.
Where are you?
Yeah. gonna stand up and do this. Let me see. Get on it.
Just stay with me.
No, I'm gonna go. It's time for hold on, wait for me. I'm trying to do something.
Somebody.
Miles, you got one more time too. I'm coming up, I'm gonna bust you in your damn mouth.
Here. Over here. It looks like
We're sleep ready, so we gotta feed it off.
Listen up, y'all. Listen up now. Your grandma can't be doing all of this business and stuff. I'm trying to work. Now, I'm trying not to be over here yelling, hollering, and screaming at y'all and all that stuff. Plus, I don't really feel good. That's mine. So, I need y'all to kind of police yourself up, man. Don't be an ass today. All right? Well, we haven't been doing that all day. So let's not start now if that's what's going on.
No, it's Bear keep on yelling and screaming.
All right, well, everybody need to take it down a notch, Tazarius. It's been peaceful in here today. I ain't had no problems with nobody today. Don't start this stuff now. I got plenty of stuff to do. And your grandma can't be pacing back and forth to see what y'all doing and making y'all behave.
I ain't doing nothing. I'm just making a YouTube video.
Who belongs to these soda cans and this water bottle on this table?
That was on the floor. I picked it up.
Who had this? This your soda can?
My soda can was on the table.
Where's your soda can, Shania? That's Sprite.
Get that stuff up there. Put it up there so it can go in the, as a matter of fact, get all of the plastic stuff out there and take it and go put it in the whatchamacallit.
We're not fun.
no fun enough.
Yeah, try not to step on her.
It's on you.
You gotta stay up here because I gotta work with somebody.
Like, it's like,
Come on, man, let's get
yeah,
out.
see, mine says this.
Press cash out. So come on, man. I think get money. Let's go this.
No. Roxy. So what? And we just relax.
And you're watching it. We don't gotta. We
I'm
don't
gonna
watch
watch my phone. I'm gonna say I'm just gonna make a palette for whoever
I can watch mine. No, I don't have it. Eat your donut and water. And then. Just sick in the You get money for it?
You get money for eating?
Can I just watch TV? You get money for doing this?
I might get some more. Hey, yo.
Yep, no, you don't do it now. Do
Do
it when you're like,
lay down.
you have to like,
Y'all want to join? Y'all can join.
See, let me see. You want to open it? Okay.
you don't,
Come here. See, mine says I need some sleep. Where are you?
we're at school. Oh, we don't need to go to school, come on. Get out. Now somebody calling me. Wait.
Nancy, why are we like that? Why we got the shower? Huh?
No, finish reading.
Wait, I'm
just gonna like Griffin is just like relax a little bit. I'll play Fortnite. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys this one more time. It's kind of sticky though. This is it. This is it. So what I'm gonna do is do the button down. Put a little too much.
I get lots of money like this. Go get that car.
You can only get what you.
First time I get a lot of money.
I know how to
Then
do
you can buy
this.
like a bike and you can buy a motorcycle.
You gotta buy the motorcycle. Got a car.
So let me see your bike. Let me see your motorcycle.
Down to where?
You can get on the motorcycle though. Not only. Hold up, there. Come on my bike.
I don't know how to spell it.
This way. Come on, man. This house over here. You need to go take a shower. Yeah, this house is ugly. We still got that ugly.
Where are you? Upstairs?
Stop scratching your butt.
Oh. Okay, let me go.
Wait for me.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get it.
See, look, you all you gotta do is just go. Go in the door. Okay, oh, come on.
Want me to back one more time?
No, you don't need to. Okay. I'm gonna go to my house too. After I leave.
What's that? Got something. What?
I'm thirsty.
Come on, where are you?
So now it's 66 ounces. I think I probably got too much on it. So you have the Xbox and Nintendo Switch.
Ooh, wait. Jump over the seat.
Fortnite.
Oh, Barry, you can go in the house. Get up there. Jump up the line. You know how to play this game? Ooh.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
No. Come on, let's go. Can't go in. Okay, hold on. Okay, no more.
Yeah. More friends. Yes, Malia. Okay. Bye, guys.